Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is April 15th and many of you like me, you're waiting to find out if you got the stimulus check deposited to your banking account. So on April 3rd, I had filed my 2019 taxes, got approved for my refund, and just waiting for the refund to come in, which I still haven't gotten, hopefully soon. So check my bank today, nothing's there. I have a friend that works for one of the big tax companies. I gave him a call today and asked him if he could help me out, find out some information. He said that many people are having problems right now getting their check. For instance, even my mom filed the 2018 taxes, put in for direct deposit. I searched her refund today and it said that they didn't have her direct deposit on file, so we had to input that. If you didn't get it today, double check on the app and make sure that the IRS has your direct deposit info, your banking information. On the news today, they said that if you didn't file before, or you're one of the persons that don't need to file tax returns, you're going to get the check sent to you in your house. It could take a while to receive it, even up to the end of next month. I'm going to leave a video at the end of the link so you can kind of see what the news was saying. Leave me a comment if you're having any problems with your check, if you received your check. Let me know what's going on so we can get some more information, and hope everyone stays safe, stay positive. We're gonna get this money one way or another. All right, we'll see you in the next one.
The check isn't in the mail, it's in your direct deposit. For millions of people, that stimulus money from the feds arrived today. The first wave of payments were deposited. Depending on your income level, you can get up to $1,200 and up to $2,400 for married couples. If you didn't get yours, it is coming. If the IRS does not have your bank information, or if you're receiving a paper check, it'll take a few months for all the payments to be issued. You don't need to fill out any paperwork. It comes automatically based on your 2018 or 2019 tax return.